220V to 12V transformer. (3300 UF 35V capacitor). 5408 diode. Capacitor positive side connecting with second capacitor negative side. One diode positive side connecting with capacitor negative side. Second diode negative side connecting second positive side. Connecting remaining diode positive or negative side with each other. Transformer output negative wire connecting with capacitor positive negative side. Transformer output second wire connecting with diode positive negative side. Input current. Single output almost 40 volt. Double output almost 80 volt.